everyone, welcome to Easy Explanation. So in last video we covered the queries related to relational algebra, and we also learned how to write the queries. So from today, in today's video, we are going to see the practice questions related to relational algebra. So for this practice question, I am considering a table. You can see this is a table having the column ID, name, department name and salary. So the informations are given here. So this table can be represented in the form of relation as like this. For example, you can write this in the form of relation like this. Employee, the name of the table, ID, name, department name and salary. So this is either you can write this table or you can write this relation. So in exam, basically you will be given this relation like this. So it means that this is a table whose name is employee and having 4 columns here. Okay, so the first expression is write a relation expression to find all employee working in finance department. Okay, so basically we have to write expression to find all employee. It means that here select operation will be used. Okay, so what you have to select? You have to select all employee who are working in the finance department. It means that you have to write like this: select department name equals to finance from the table employee. Okay, you can see this is the expression for the query this. Now the second question is, so what will be the answer of this? What will be the output of this? So the output of this will be, you are going to get a table. It means that you are going to get this column, sorry, you are going to get this tuple and this tuple. Only 2 tuples you are going to get in the whole table. Okay, so the next query is, okay, so the next query, let's go to the next query. So the next query is, see, this is the answer. Next query is write a relation expression to find all employee whose salary is greater than 50,000. Okay, whose salary is greater than 50,000. So can you tell me what will be the answer? Okay, so the answer is, we have to find all employees whose salary is greater than 50,000. For all employee it will be select operation. So select salary is greater than 50,000 from where? From the employee table. So this is the answer for the second query. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. So this is the answer for the second query, and the table will be represented as this. Now the next query is write a relational expression to find all employee who are working in finance department and getting a salary greater than 50,000. See, here you have to use and. It means that you have to use intersection operation here. So write a relational expression to find all employee who are working in finance department and getting a salary greater than 50,000. Okay, so here what will be the condition? There will be 2 conditions. That is, you have to select, first you have to select the department name, which is equals to finance, and the salary which is greater than 50,000 from where? From the employee table. Fine, let's go to next expression, which is, so this is the expression. Next is write a relation expression to find all employee who are getting salary between 50,000 and 80,000. Okay, same, whose salary is greater than 50,000, and instead of and you can write this, and the salary is less than 80,000 from the table employee. Okay, next one is write a relation expression to find all employee in the employee table. Okay, so what is the condition for all employee? It means that if you are going to put the condition like select whose ID is greater than 1 from employee table, it is going to print all the table, because we can see here all the employee are having the ID greater than 1. So this is a common sense type question. If you put the ID value greater than 1, you are going to get all the employee. Next one is write a relation expression to list all employees ID, name and salary, but not the department name. It means that you have to print only ID, name and salary. You have to exclude the which department name. Okay, so for this type of question where you need to print only particular column, now we have to use the project operator. See, so the solution will be project ID, name, salary from the table employee. Okay, so this is the answer that you are going to get. Okay, next one is write a relation expression to list name of all employee. Now see, so here we have particularly told that to print only the name. Okay, so in order to print the name, so which operation you are going to use? You are going to use a project operation for name, and for this, that is the employee working in IT department, you are going to use the select operator. It means that first of all, how it works. Okay, so how it works, let me tell you. So first of all, what you are going to do, first of all, you are going to give the condition, that is sigma department name equals to IT from employee. Okay, so after writing this, what you are going to get? You are going to get a table. You are going to get a table having column ID, name, department name and salary, and having only the department name IT. It means that you are going to get here two tuples of ID 1 and 4 from the table, having name Ram and Hari and the salary 50,000 and 30,000. Now this is not our answer. What we have told? We have told that choose only the name, print only the name. Okay, see, write a expression to list the name of all employee. So what we will do, in front of this we are going to put this project name. So what it is going to do, it is going to project only this column. Fine. So what will be the answer? So what will be the answer? List the name of all employees. What will the answer? The answer will be only the name. Okay, see, the answer will be name Ram and Hari. Fine, let's go to now next type of questions. So here we have considered two tables. First one is software development table and next one is project management manager table. Okay, so you can see here, list all employee name associated with company either as a software developer or as a project manager. So you can see here, software developer, the columns are employee name and employee ID and salary. Whereas in project management table, that the columns are employee name, project ID and salary. Okay, so it means that the person who is working as a software developer can also work as a project manager. So the same thing is told here. List all employees name associated with company either as a software developer or as a project manager. Okay, so it is very simple. What you are going to do, first of all, you are going to project the name of all employee from this table, and then you are going to project the name of all employee from this table, and finally you are going to do the union of both the tables. Okay, because here the condition is either and or. It means that in either and or we are going to do the union. If it was and, we would done here intersection. So the query is very simple. That is, you can see here, project e-name from software developer table, project e-name from project management table, and then we are going to union it. Okay, it's very easy, I think. Now the next question is a bit complex question, we can say. Okay, here we have considered a university database. Okay, here it is university database having the tables. So these all are the tables. So it has a number of tables like instructor table, course table, department table, section table, teachers table. So what is teachers? Teachers is basically not an entity. Teachers is a relation. It means that an instructor teaches a course. Similarly, student is a table, advisor is a table, and text is a table, but it is a type of relation. Classroom is a table and time slot is a table. So you can see this is a complete university database having this much of column, this much of tables or relation, we can say. So the first question is, find the set of all courses, that is the course ID, you can say, find the set of all course ID taught in fall 2009 semester, comma, the spring 2010 semester, or both. Okay, so what are the attributes? It means that, let me explain you here. The first is we have to find the course ID. And what is this fall? Fall means, what is fall? Fall means semester name. It is a semester name. It can be fall, it can be spring. So these are the name of semester. What is 2009? It is the name of year. Okay, so you have to choose a table, a relation which contains course ID, year and semester attribute. Okay, so let's see, you have to choose a course ID, semester and year. So you can see that here section table. Okay, here section table, it contains all these three attributes, that is course ID, year and semester. Okay, so it means that we have to use semester table in this question. So first of all, we'll solve this by part. First of all, we have to write the query for this question, that is set of all course ID taught in fall semester, taught in fall 2009 semester. It means that the semester name should be fall and the year should be 2009. Both conditions should be fulfilled. It means that we are going to use a intersection operator between fall and 2009. Okay, so here what will be the query? We have to project only the course ID. And what is the condition? The condition is semester should be fall and year should be 2009. So you can see here, first we have written the condition here, that is select semester equals to fall and year equals to 2009 from the table section. After we get this information, we are finally going to project only the course ID from here. Similarly, if we see the second part, that is the spring 2010 semester, same thing will be done. That is, we have to select semester equals to spring, year equals to 2010 from this section table, and finally we have to project only course ID from here. Okay, now you can see the final query is set of all course taught in fall 2009, spring 2010 or both. Okay, so what we are going to do? Finally, we are going to combine both of this. Okay, it means that first query for fall semester union, second query for spring semester. See, this is the final query. So this will be our final query for this question. Okay, so that's all for this video. In next part, I'll come up with some more questions. Till then, stay safe and thank you.